Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called Files and clicking on it. If you never used it before, click on Continue in the pop-up and then select Browse at the bottom in the middle after tapping on Got It in the pop-up. Lastly, just tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!